and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm here again with lovely Pinky.
Hello, good morning. Welcome to Pattaya.
And welcome to Rungsii village. Where are we located?
We are located on North Pattaya, close to motorway number 7. When you come from Bangkok and entrance to Pattaya, you will see the village on the left-hand side. So it means here only 2 minutes to motorway, probably 5 minutes to North Pattaya, 10 minutes to Terminal 21.
And here is like a brand new village. Already some houses are built. In total are how many houses here?
18 houses in total. And the good part of this project, the electric is underground.
Yeah,
so you will
that is
not
very
see any
nice.
cable.
And also
This
good
look
that they
nice.
have a security gate on the front with a
Yes.
24-hour security.
The house design is modern classic design, 2-story. There are actually 3 types of house. This type, medium type, 280 square meter of the land, 304 square meter of living space, 3 bedroom, 4 bathroom, 1 working. The price starting with empty house, 12.8 million this side, with fully furnished, 17.6 million.
Let's have a look inside. Follow us. Alright guys, so here we are at the car park. So the car park is enough for 2 cars.
On the front is gonna be automatic remote gate.
And then over here we have storage space, so you can put like all the gardening equipment here. Walkway around the house, some like nice palm trees with like a black and white stones on the ground. Here will be the main entrance, so you come in with your car.
And then you can entrance to the house here. The concept of the fan here, they use most like the fan, which is the wind can flow, and then use the plant around.
And here we have Hefele door lock with a fingerprint and with a touch screen
Password.
as well. Once you enter into the house, we have here the main living room.
So you have L-shaped sofa. The house style is modern classics. And
Yes.
interior design is quite like modern, a little bit luxury, so actually quite matte.
Yes, everything quite like a cream color, a little bit some like a black elements, like a black marble, and also they like to use quite some rose gold, which is nice, give like an elegant touch. Here we have L-shaped sofa, coffee table over there. We have also nice bean bag, and then here will be like the TV cabinet with like a large TV, of course. On the backdrop will be like a black marble wall.
This is relaxed zone. There the door go out to the terrace. So actually you have.
And I like this
terrace.
design of with the bars. In here it looks more like a little bit like a colonial style. This one is aluminium door. It's pretty thick door. It's nice. And then here we have like a barbecue area, outdoor dining area, and a swimming pool. Swimming pool is 3 by 7 meters with like a little bit like a blue grayish tiles. We have an outdoor shower as well and a space here for the grill.
So now we move to the kitchen and dining zone. They are set up with 6 shared dining table, Daikin ceiling tile aircon, kitchen zone. This is one of the feature of the project that they choose the quality of the kitchen. So it's quick brand.
From Denmark, European kitchen. Yeah, they have here gray granite countertop. Very easy to take care. They have Hefele stovetop with like a 4 burners. The hood also from Hefele. And even we have here like a large wine fridge, even with 2 zones, so you can have like a 2 separate zones for like a red wine and then the white wine as well. It's a little bit rose gold, see-through, so you can put all like your wine glasses and your nice plates and dishes there. Of course, also oven is also nice built in. A little bit higher level in some project, the oven is like on low, so you always have to bend down. But here, easy to access for the oven. And then also microwave oven from Hefele, microwave from Electrolux, large refrigerator also even from Hefele. So I think they use quite like a very good quality here as well.
And also there's a dishwasher here with Hefele brand.
So this one all comes already fully made from like a quick brand. So this is really nice.
One more sleeping zone. I mean, like you have another nice sofa zone which you can use for your private, I don't know, movie, games, playing phone.
Yeah, just
which
relax zone. Nice. You also have another wall type Daikin inverter. You can access to the guest toilet inside rain shower toilet and like a large nice white marble sink counter with integrated sink. Hefele toilet as well. And you can even access also from this side, and this side will bring you back to the main living room.
The cabinet next to the stair. Downstairs you can also build as a shoe cabinet. That's also good.
Yes,
Just
yes.
close to the entrance.
And then also here is the stair which will lead you to the second floor, and this one we will check out next. Follow us.
So now we are on second floor, and there are 3 bedrooms on second floor plus 1 working room. Actually, if you need 1 more bedroom, you also in the working room to be bedroom.
Yes.
So we can start with working room.
Yes.
Here is office.
Very nice to have like a large office. Yeah, but I understand the point that this one also could be like a nice bedroom, because you also have the balcony facing towards the road. We will have pretty big size of a balcony.
Built-in cabinet on the back where you can leave all of your books or working stuff. Or if you don't like to work at home, you can change this room to be a bar. It also can be an idea.
It's always good to have some more space, yeah? But I really like here you can put all like your documents on the back. Nice desk here as well. And actually there's a pretty nice chandelier on top as well. Can light up like this.
Right, right. And as Pierre said, actually you can also go out to the balcony. If you work sometime and you need some air or relax time, you can go out for have a seat, get a coffee.
And I like this like a textile panels. It's not like a wallpaper, it's really like a textile panels. Feels nice. You have here also some more plug for put like a TV, so if you want to make it into a bedroom you can. And then here is also even more storage space, so for like a bedroom you have here also some more wardrobe as well. And I think now we should have a look at this one first, which is the master bedroom.
Beautiful night. This one I like it with like soft headboard.
Yeah, and then with this also this rose gold inlays is nice touch. King size bed, right?
Yes.
2 bedside tables.
This room have balcony as well. Built-in TV cabinet. You can just install TV on the wall.
Some plenty of storage spaces here below the TV cabinet.
This one is wardrobe, wood color with rose gold glass door, vanity table, bathroom. So we have a sink, white marble colors of the wall and floor. Toilet. I like the floor here. You feel nice, how to say, good for your feet. I feel not slippery at all. This one prepared for the bathtub, so you can also just choose the bathtub and put it in here and have separate rain shower.
And I like that they really use here like a real wood door.
We go here first.
So this is the second bedroom, kids bedroom or guest bedroom. Of course, built-in wardrobe. Actually on the entrance there's a built-in like a vanity table as well, large mirror. I guess this one is a queen size bed, but we also have of course space for 2 bedside tables. We also have here soft touch headboard with this rose gold inlays as well. Nice large floor to ceiling windows as well.
So you can see your swimming pool and garden.
And then here we even have ensuite bathroom. This sink is like a massive stone. We have Hefele appliances, Hefele toilet as well. And here is actually quite nice space for like the rain shower as well. Of course, everything is Hefele. Pretty nice of a bathroom. Everything a little bit cream color style.
The last bedroom. Yes, probably for the guests or for another kid. You have a built-in headboard, queen size bed all set up, and you have bedside table. The windows, 2 windows on near to bedside table and wardrobe, aircon. You have space for your TV. The bathroom with marble color. So you have shower zone, sink, and then the toilet.
Guys, so this is it about the Rungsii villa house.
If you love to stay close to North Pattaya area, 10 minutes to Terminal 21, modern classic village, quiet village, close to Regent School.
So this house is a 3-bedroom, 4
Four
bathroom
bathroom.
plus 1 office house. So what's the selling price?
For this house, 17.6 million Thai baht with all fully furnished.
So you just bring your bags and ready to move in.
Exactly. But you can also buy the empty house and you can choose the furnitures and everything by yourself. Empty house starting with 12.8 million.
The same size of the house.
For same size, yes. The land size 280 square meter.
So yeah, if you're looking to stay close to Bangkok Pattaya highway, right, you can just
Yeah.
access within 3 minutes, then this is probably a very good choice. As always, we will put the listing link in the video description below. If you enjoy this review, give it a thumbs up. And as always, subscribe to our channel. I see many people didn't subscribe yet. So click the subscribe button. See you guys on next Sunday. Thank you very much.